My name is TaWanda and I'm from North Carolina. I've had dental issues for most of my life and I've been to several dentists around North Carolina. Actually, I was really nervous about arriving. I have a big phobia about dentists. I don't like to go. But the moment that I walked in the office, my nerves disappeared and I felt a lot more comfortable. Especially with Dr. Rivas, he was able to explain everything, all the steps that were going to be needed and the time that it was going to take, and that I just needed to be patient. Over the years, my gums and my teeth had deteriorated, and I was told that it was going to cost pretty much a new car to get a beautiful smile. I was not willing to spend that much money, and I spoke to my husband and he did the research and found Sandy Dental, and I called and spoke to a wonderful receptionist that was able to put my nerves at ease by answering some of the questions that I had. I feel absolutely beautiful for the first time ever in my life. I feel like at least over 20 years I've been able to actually chew a full meal and feel and have a what do they say, a fiesta en la boca.